20's down in, I think 20, I don't think you can see 20. Oh, you can see the trucks on 20, but the cars are on 78. I've already got a video of this downhill, but that's the first video of the uphill. It should have maxed out. I mean, I was really throwing the bike, so that might throw off the gradient some, but oh, come on. This thing should max out at 34%, 35. You gotta go super slow though for the gradient to catch up. I'm only at 23, 26, 28, 31, 32, 32. 32. Yeah, I bet you there's a little 34 stretch in there. That's the hardest part of that. Where it starts, they let that go. They try right before it. It's going up at 30% slope, and you really have to gun it. Oh yeah, it's crazy clear. I'm just going to ride the long way until I get to the farmer's turn. Woo, headwind. It's going to be hard. The Big Barbers Motorsports Park. They do motorcycle racing here, but they have an Indy. They have one of the Indy Super Series here. It's always a fun weekend. You know, I've never actually been to the race, but it's fun just to see all the trucks. The cars painted on them, the drivers painted on them. Road, so I'm just going to leave the camera running. Lots of running with cars out here. Epic runs in with cars. Police called.